Welcome to our channel. Today, we will go through the next blank of the paragraph, so without wasting any more time, let's begin. Our fourth sentence is, a strong sense of direction, while, since, unless, hence, the ask and listen approach works well. The best choice is while. Why while? We choose while because it is the correct conjunction to introduce a contrast between the two different communication styles. For example, a chef explaining a recipe step by step to the kitchen staff is using the tell and sell approach, while a manager asking employees for their input on improving workplace efficiency is using the ask and listen approach. Why not the other options? Since. Meaning, for the reason that, because. Reason for not choosing, this does not introduce a contrast between two different communication styles. Example, since it was raining, we decided to stay indoors. Unless. Meaning, except if. Reason for not choosing, this does not introduce a contrast between two different communication styles. Example, we won't proceed with the project unless we receive approval from the board. Hence. Meaning, as a consequence, for this reason. Reason for not choosing, this does not introduce a contrast between two different communication styles. Example, the project was delayed, hence the need for an extension. And there you have it. By choosing the right words, we can make our sentences clearer and more effective. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more language tips and tricks. See you next time.